What's up, everybody? This is a real quick one today. I'm going to show you how to make something transparent, opacity. This preview, I want to give this to my client, but I want my client to approve it before I send them the footage. So what I'm going to do is on either the cut page or the edit page, we're going to go into the inspector. And under video, we're going to go into settings, and then we are going to go to compositing, right? And just move that bar, that slider, and you get the transparency. Just that simple. Now I'm going to show the transparency with the other clip. Just select the clip and pull the slider down. See, the footage is gone, and that's all you have to do. All right, babies, have a good one.